Hello everyone, in this video I'll be solving the problem brick comparison. So it was asked in Codechef contest starter 199. So let's read out the problem and let me discuss how do we solve this. So chef has n bricks with him numbered 1 to n with the ith one being size of a of I. He will perform the following process. First he picks up the brick numbered 1. Next, he looks at the other bricks in the order 2, 3 up to n, and if he finds this brick has strictly larger size than the brick in his hand, he drops his current brick and picks this up instead. So you are asked you to find the number of the brick which is finally with chef at the end of the process. So okay, so they have given one example. I'll be discussing 2, 1, 4, 3 they have given. So before discussing example, let's take the input and int t. So we have for every test case we'll call a function solve, and for every function what we have is we have integer n, and they have given all the brick sizes. So I'll be not taking in a vector, on the go I'll be solving, don't worry, I'll be telling how to solve that. So example, there have been 3 examples. In first example there are 4 bricks and sizes are 2, 1, 4, 3. So let me tell you what they're saying. So n is 4 and let me call array as 2, 1, 4, 3. So there are 4 bricks of size 2, 1, 4, 3. So in the question what they have said is chef will this brick numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4. This is one based indexing. So chef what will do is first he'll picks up this brick 2. Okay, so he'll pick up 2 and next he'll move to the other index. He was here, now he'll be moving to here. So now we'll find the size is 1. So if you see like this size is greater than 2 is not true, so he will not be taking this brick, he'll move to other hand. So once you see that 4 is greater than 2, which means the size of this brick 3 is greater than this, so he will drop this brick and he'll cast this brick. Basically he'll be holding this brick in hand and he'll move to the next one. So when he comes here, so he finds its size is 3, which is lesser than 4, so he'll not be picking, he'll not be picking this brick. In order to pick this, he'll not be dropping this. So when he moves out of these number of bricks, so at the end if you see, he have brick number 3. This is size, this is brick number. So in this case you'll have to return 3 as the answer. So yeah, which is asked. So in second case, let's see. In second case, n is 2 and sizes of bricks are 9 and 9. So this is brick number 1, this is brick number 2. So first he'll pick this brick, okay, and our I pointer is here. So he'll move to the next one. So if you see, the sizes are same. In the question they have sent strictly greater than it should be. The size what you are considering, it should be strictly greater than the previous brick. The current holding brick. So it is not. So he'll move again I to forward. So at the end he'll be having this brick in hand. So 1 is the brick number that he has in his hand. So yeah, that is there. Now we have 2, 5, 100. So we have 2, 5, 100, and as you see there are 3 bricks. So n is 3. So if you try to, this is brick number 1, this is brick number 2, this is brick number 3. So right now, let me tell you, holding brick, which is 1, and size, its size is 2. Now he'll move to here, okay. So now he'll find that brick number 2 has size of 5, which is greater than this. So he'll have this brick instead of this one will drop and this one will have it. Now again if I move I forward, now we'll check the size of this is 5 and the size of brick 3 is 100, so which is greater. So he will be dropping this brick 2 and he'll be catching holding this brick 3. So at the end we have this pointer will move forward. At the end we have 3, so which is our answer. So basically 2 variables will take, in which in holding brick, I mean that will be 1, and its size will be the a of 0, and from I is equal to 2 we will move and we'll check it. Basically I'll not be taking this vector on the go. I'll be doing this on the go. What I'll be doing is first holding brick I'll and in the constant they given one thing is that brick size whatever is there, it's not 0, it's from 1. So that's why initially size my will be 0, which means I'm not holding any brick, and HB related holding brick, which will be you know let me call it 0 only. So when I take one by one all the inputs, so this will denote its size. If you see size is 0, here it is 2, it is greater, so I'll be taking this one, and it will be pointed to brick number 1. When I move I pointer to here, so its size is 5, which is greater than 2, so I will hold this brick and I'll leave this brick. So again I'll move to this one, I'll be taking this input, and so 100 is greater than 5, so I'll be taking this, and I'll be dropping brick 2 and be holding brick 3. At the end when we come out of the loop, so I'll be printing holding brick which is 3. So let me try to let me take holding brick which is 0 right now, and its size is also 0. I'll take one here variable temp. One by one I'll be taking all the elements in this temp variable, and if I find the temp which is size of the brick, current brick, which is greater than size, so my size will be pointing to temp and brick will be pointing to I, and I will start from 1 to n, and at the end we'll have to print this brick. Let's try to run the code. So we have 313, which is correct. Let's try to submit it. Yeah, it got accepted. So in this way you could have solved the problem. So thank you guys for watching the video.